Warden, sir, we'll just go set it up. See you later. Okay, so Warden has issued us to set up a cop stop, so we're just gonna go ahead and set it up.
Just looking out for drunk drivers, speeders, you know, people under the influence, being illegal, you know? Hey. So we've just set up a cop stop here, got a few cars pulling up right now, just gonna talk to them, just see if they're all goods, you know? Just come with me. Just stop, mate, just stop.
Okay, mate, license, registration. So come here, we've got a suspect here. Looks 32. Yep, looking all good. All good. You're looking all good there, sir.
Of course not every person that pulls up is gonna be a, you know, a criminal.
You're all good to go.
Head on through. Oh. Come on through, bro.
Yeah, stop here, sir.
Just stop. Just chill.
Wait.
Stop your car.
So as you can see, the suspect did not have a seatbelt on, so that is going to be a fine. You want to tell us what you've been doing today?
What?
What have you been doing? This is asking policy.
It's just policy, bro.
Policy, bro.
Just visiting my cousin, bro.
Can you just turn the car off? Can you just pull
What?
up? Can you pull the handbrake up? Sir, can you pull the handbrake up, mate?
Oh, there's a bus, bro. You better move. So they've got to move.
You gotta go, bro.
Just head on through, bro.
Head on through, bro. See you over there. Oh, you're good, mate. You're good, just go through.
Come forward, please. There, mate. Stop right in front of me. Right here.
Stop here, sir. Sir, stop here, sir. Right, get in, officer. Come on, Cisco. We got a runner. We gotta get this runner. Cisco, stop the car. Stop the car, Cisco.
I don't know where my keys are,
Cisco.
So right now, just tell them what's happening.
Yeah, right now we're on a high-speed chase. We've got, there he is. We've got a suspect right there.
Stop, mate!
Hey! Gonna need to pull over.
Mate, just stop there.
Sir.
Oh, get him.
Sir, you're gonna need to pull over. Should I shoot him?
Don't shoot, mate. Get the gun down.
Shit.
He's pulling up,
Yeah, I got him.
Get out.
Oh shit, you guys still?
Come on, mate.
Sir,
Get the floor, mate. Get in the car.
shit.
Hey, sir. Get in the car.
I'll catch you up.
What? So, we've lost the assailant.
Suspect's gone. I need a faster car. Hey, stop the car. Stop the car, mate.
Oh, mate, what are you doing?
We've just got a faster car.
Get in, mate, get in, come on. Right, mate, so I put my seatbelt on.
Oh, seatbelt?
Yeah.
No, it's all good.
I got an idea, mate. Go back to the cop stop. I bet he's pulling a cheeky one. Stop here, mate, stop here. Honestly?
Here?
Yeah.
No, we're not stopping here.
Yeah.
I want some donuts, mate.
Should we go to the supermarket and then...
Get some donuts?
We should go to the supermarket first. Isn't that him?
Oh,
with the white
him right
t-shirt? He pretends he's at a bus stop. Cheeky cunt. Excuse me, sir?
Excuse me, sir. Was that you before, sir?
Is that your moped?
Is that your bike?
Is that your moped?
No,
That is, I've seen you on that bike.
So we're just talking to an assailant right now. The guy on the scooter that we saw was wearing a white t-shirt, exactly designed like that. So we're not really sure, but we're going to talk to him.
We got suspect think he's going on a walk through private property. Very suspicious.
That's also private property.
No, but I saw a lady walk out there with
No, you didn't. Pretty much, I don't like it when it gets to this, but when things get to this is what's going to happen. Sir, I need you on your knees right now.
Get on your knees, sir.
Just give me the word, sir. Give me the word. I'll do it.
I actually want to do it. Should we just get him on the grass to look more like less obvious?
Come on, sir. Come on, get on the grass.
Stand up, please, sir. Come here, mate. No, come here, mate.
Sir. So, Warden's just called us back into the prison. He's heard of an inmate on the loose, apparently. We're just going to go check it out.
So we're just doing a quick perimeter check. Just see what the heck.
So that's aircraft 247. They're just doing the scout check in the sky.
Come here. Hello?
We just heard the exact quote. Oh, what was it? What a bee got a guy. So just gonna check it out in the bush here.
Get your gun out.
Gun's in the car.
You left it in the car?
Yeah. Oh shit.
You don't even have your gun.
So I should get my gun.
You should get your gun.
Okay, I'll get my gun.
You go get your
Right
gun.
here.
So right now we're just gonna head into the bush, which is outside of the prison. That's the prison right there. Get the prison. You think we're gonna make it on TV with amateur clips like that?
But just surrender now while you can.
Oh, there he is.
Can't see me.
We can see it on
We
the...
can clearly see you. You're bright orange. We can clearly see you, mate.
I'm gonna flank around the left. I'm gonna flank.
Go hit the left first.
There's no entrance over here.
Just make your entrance, mate. You're still there. Just make your entrance.
Get on the ground, mate!
Hey! There he is. Suspect there.
It's private property, mate. Just stop now.
So as you can see,
Just stop now.
you're private property.
On the floor, mate.
On the floor.
Wait,
Grab my gun.
I left something in my pocket.
You didn't leave shit in your
Let
pocket.
me take it in my pocket.
Mate, it's not working.
Get him.
It's not
Mate,
working.
You can't grab my gun because I will shoot it.
Should we kill him?
Should I kill him?
Oh no, because... Warden.
What about him? Come here.
Warden.
Wait, I can kill him though.
Does he say it's all good?
I don't know. I'm just gonna kill you. Is that okay, sir?
You're in for life anyway.
Like you're saving us the trouble because when you get in, like we get paid, but like tax and stuff.
Or we can take you in for life.
Yeah.
So at least we're giving you an option.
What's it gonna be? Wait.
Come here, mate.
So this inmate, he's caused us a lot of trouble. I think we're just gonna put him down. Sick of his nonsense. So
Don't do that. Stop doing that. Stop.
get him down.
On your knees.
On your knees, mate. You and me.
Huh?
You and me.
Can you do it? I did it last
No, I'll
time.
fucking do it. Bang!
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 Let's
That's how
go.
we do it. That's how we do it, man. This is the best thing about being a cop. I'm gonna show you right now. Come here, sir.
Just stop, mate. Just stop.
Now just park your scooter up, mate. Just park it up. Take your helmet off real quick.
Just pull him up.
Now come here, sir.
How the fuck do you do it?
What have you been up to today?
Yes, had a good Sunday.
Okay, just come over here, please.
What happened here?
Don't worry about this. Can I just get you could you just come stand right here, please? Could you just hold this gun for me, sir?
Oh, hold this one as
Hold-
well. Hold this one.
Oh shit!
Get on the floor!
Get on the floor!
Get on the floor! Drop the guns!
Arrest them! Arrest them! Stop resisting!
Stop resisting!
He had the evidence. He just killed that man.
Wasn't me.
What do you mean
Yes,
it wasn't you, mate? We saw you holding the
had the
guns. The cuffs don't work.
Huh?
These are plastic cuffs.
Those cups, he's dead, mate.
Okay.
Should we get new guns or should we just grab our guns?
Grab our guns. Do you reckon they'll fingerprint?
No, it's all good. We're cops.
Watch this, mate. Come here, come here, come here. Excuse me, mate. How do you take off your handcuffs?
Charlie Alpha,
you do
Charlie
that?
Alpha.
Just come in. Yeah, this is Officer Turner with Head Unit Cisco. How can we help?
Yeah, there's some UFA in a Mazda. Can you just go get him, please?
Yeah, copy that. We are in the area already. We can make that happen. There we go.
Has he got his hazard lights on?
Number plate LME.
Excuse me,
We
mate!
got a 482 ZTF motorbike.
He's doing fucking...
Reckless driving. Wheelie.
Jesus.
We gotta hit.
Excuse me, sir. Your hazard lights are on.
But they always like this.
What do you mean they're always like this?
They're always flashing on me. Oh, he's an Uber.
What do you mean is an Uber? What is that supposed to mean, mate?
This is my Uber ride, bro.
Just calm down with the talking,
man.
mate.
Uber.
Let's take your keys out of the car.
Hey, it's Uber driver.
Take your keys out of the car.
Live on like 33.
Fuck, mate. Sort them out.
Mate, that's unbelievable.
Next time, mate, just make sure you turn your hazard lights off, okay? Right, here you go, buddy. Sorry about that instruction, mate. Go ahead.
Yeah, mate, you're all good. Wait, you're good to go. You're good.
Head on through, buddy.
Just keep going, bro.
Head on through.
So he's all good. He's all good to go. You're good, bro.
Just one more time. Just one more. He likes to make sure you know that. Head on through, mate. Just go. Is that illegal? Constable, is that illegal? Calm it down, mate. Bloody hell.
Mate, he's in the car.
What are you doing?
It's one way.
Get out of the
It's
vehicle,
one
please.
way, so I go the other way.
Get out of the vehicle,
Oh,
please.
mate.
Get out of the vehicle. Grab his keys.
Got his key.
Get out of the fucking vehicle. What are you
Hey,
doing?
I'm Uber driver.
Here's the car.
Uber driver.
So where you going? I'm your Uber driver. So I think I'm gonna retire an officer, become an Uber driver.
Hey, mate.
Yeah.
He's under arrest for reckless driving. Hop in the back here, mate. Fuck, that door doesn't work.
Shouldn't we be putting him in the boot?
The boot?
Yeah.
Do you want to get in the boot, mate?
Oh no, look at it
He
here.
wants to get in the boot. Yeah. Come on, mate.
Let me just shave my mustache off real quick. It's getting a bit itchy.
Can you put that? I'm gonna fit him in here.
Well, I'll just be like this, mate. If you don't get in the fucking boot, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
No, you're good, you're good.
This is not my size.
Duck your fucking head, mate, otherwise you're gonna get a club to the head.
But we're just gonna head back to the office, get him in there, wash him up. It's a bit crazy fella, that one.
Hey, don't forget to pay my Uber fee.
Just talk the future in Dubai. We not there yet, but I got my whole damn crew high. Put Spikey and Ike and DR, yeah, that's Suta. Ike smiling like no more, I don't got moved out.